Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge. That's 7 uploads in 7 days, 7 shoutouts to 7 different YouTube channels. If you're interested in participating, check the description below. Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge, and I'm giving a shoutout to In the Kitchen with Karen. She's got a fantastic YouTube channel. Check her out. She does quick and easy recipes, usually with less than 10 ingredients. She's gone to culinary school in San Diego as well as the Napa Valley, and she's been a personal chef and as well as a caterer. She's got excellent recipes, and she kicked my butt in the hashtag Nacho Bowl 2021 challenge. So check out In the Kitchen with Karen. I'm just going to go over a couple quick rules for the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge. Of course, it's 7 shoutouts in 7 days to 7 different YouTube channels. So rule number 1 is have fun. You can do shorts, just shoutouts, full-length videos. There's no deadline, no callouts. Just because I gave you a shoutout doesn't mean you have to do 7 videos in 7 days. And then, of course, rule number 2, it's 7 uploads, 7 days, 7 YouTube channels. Rule number 3, using the title or description, hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge. And rule number 4, leave a comment in one of my shoutouts just saying you accept the challenge. Put I accept in the comments on one of my shoutouts. This shoutout would be a good time for you to join the challenge. Alright, so without any further ado, I'm going to make a quick drink. I'm just going to do a Grapefruit Shandy. So for Shandy you need a lager. I got a Bud Light Lime. And I'm going to save a little room for the grapefruit. And I got a nice Italian sparkling San Pellegrino grapefruit flavor. It says a sparkling grapefruit beverage with 16% grapefruit juice. And that, my friends, is a Grapefruit Shandy. Coming up next, we got Appies with Chappy by the lake. Don't miss it.
Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. As you can see, it's a little bit smoky. We got some wildfires here in BC. So we'll probably take our Appies inside after I make my drink. Today I got some teriyaki chicken wings. To go with my appetizer, I'm going to make a Carajillo. It's a Spanish drink. It's very simple. Just gonna fill up a glass full of ice. And again, that's a Carajillo, which is a Spanish drink. So I got my glass full of ice, and we'll do about 1.5 ounces of liquor 43. And I have some freshly brewed espresso. And that's a Carajillo to go with my teriyaki chicken wings. Thanks for joining me on Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Alright, thanks for everybody that's participating in the challenge, and we'll see you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.